Whenever you're sending messages, let me go into a contact record. Whenever you're sending an email message, let me just go to, I thought I was in this list, guess not. Let's just send to George. We're going to send an email to George Washington. And in here, we want to attach an attachment. In the past, we could only pick from the document library, which is an area within the templates section where you can store your PDFs, your things that you like, blank forms and stuff like that you just want to include. You can pick and choose those. So you can just kind of grab something, a loan app or exclusive right to sell, app, all these different things you can pick and choose and pick those. Or I should say, you can also add files from the contact record. So if I'm in George's record and if he has any files in his files tab, they would show up here and then I can select them. If they're not in here, I can add them to it and then select them from there. So maybe your HUD ones and stuff like that could be put into a contact record or a transaction record and then be able to be included as a attachment. What I did not have is attached from a local file. So if you had some PDF or Excel or something that you wanted to include on the email, but didn't have it in one of these other two places, you couldn't attach it. So now there is a place where you can add a local file. You can pick the file, and it gets installed into the system and attached that way. So that's there. In addition to that is we had an issue where if you loaded a template that had an embedded image, it would send just fine. But if you were working on a message locally, like right here, and I wanted to add a photo to the thing, I go and I pick a photo of some sort and insert it. It would be a big image inside the body of the message. It would fail sending and it would fail saving to the templates area. And it was because of the size of the images, a lot of times were too large for a record in the database the way it was being done. So now whenever you attach an embedded image like that, it actually saves it to our file storage area and then embeds it into the message area that way. So not that the technical part of it isn't important. It's just a matter of now, if you insert an image while you're doing an email out, it will work properly versus having to go in, set it up as a template first, and then selecting it and sending it as a template. So that has been fixed.